Today we will speak about XLOOKUP. Here is a simple data set wherein I have created 5 columns: serial number, name of the student, subject 1, subject 2 and subject 3. So name of the students I have considered as the name of the months as the name of the students, serial number starting from 1 to 12, and these are the 3 subjects for which I will be taking the data. So let's start. Let us generate the scores. I will let use the function rand between so that I can randomly generate the scores, and the scores can be somewhere between minimum of 10 marks to 99. Let's copy paste this. Done. So this is a very simple data set that I have created. Now I want to fetch the scores of March for each and every subject along with the serial number. Okay, suppose if I write March, so let us make our life more easy. Let me create a simple data validation so that it can be very much dynamic. Okay, so it is March. So in the XLOOKUP, the first parameter is the lookup value. Lookup value is the search term for which we want the return value. So here over here, March is the lookup value for us. It is the student for whom we want to fetch the data, or student's data we want to fetch. Okay, so once after selecting the lookup value, the next parameter is the lookup array, and the segregator for both the parameters is the comma. So we will put comma and then lookup array. Lookup array is the data where our lookup value is there. So if we are looking for March, the lookup value is over here in this column. Let us select this column, that is the name of the column, and then again the separator comma return array subject 1 is in this column, and then close. See, for March student, the subject, the March score in subject 1 is 10. It is coming over here. Now for subject 2, we can use the same function, that is XLOOKUP March lookup array this comma return array of subject 2 comma sorry close. 6 subject 3 XLOOKUP March lookup array subject 3. If we change the name of the student, maybe it is July, the scores could automatically get changed. For serial number also, we know we can use the same function, that is the XLOOKUP student name, that is over here lookup array. Where is the student's name? In this column. The value that we want to get, that is from serial column, and then close the number. See, for September, for November, December. In the upcoming videos, I will share how to use the XLOOKUP with the dynamic column, where if we change the header, the value of the result value should also get changed. Okay, please stay tuned. Thank you.